All right, good morning. So we'll be discussing price today, starting from the years. So we've been arranging from the start of the year until now. So we've been rallied higher in the first weeks of January and then drop lower, ranging like this inside of this range. So this high to this low, it is seen as a range. So we have been inside of a range bound price action. Now we've been trading inside of internal range liquidity and pairing those liquidities on both sides of the market. Now, this type of trading environment, it causes doubt. It is meant to cause doubt. It is doing exactly what it is being programmed to do, which is to cause doubt in traders' mind, to make you doubt your model, to make you doubt your decision of being a trader, to make you just to sow a seed of doubt inside of you. So you have to know how to control yourself, control your mind, to stay away from every form of pollution, every form of mind pollution that will make you doubt your model. And one of the ways for you to do this is through proper journaling. You should journal. This type of price action, it is of a scalper's environment, and you'd want to be participating in this type of price action mostly through tape reading, through reading the tape. If you are a new trader, it is extremely advisable for you to be reading the tape during these times. Now, so let's get right into the week's trading and do our weekly forecast. Here we have this relative equal lows here. Why prices being shy from this highs here, this which is this relative equal highs here. So we've traded to the relative equal highs. So we're trying to see if price is likely to expand higher or create the form of short term, create the form of reversal to seek this relative equal lows. So when you have this type of price action, this is what a range bound price action does. It gives you a 50-50 narrative going into the week in the first half of the week, which is Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. When you have this type of price action for Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, it is advisable for you to wait till Wednesday to see what the week has done from Monday, Tuesday trading. That way, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday's price action, it will be smooth and swift because most of the most of the manipulation would have been done within the first half of the week. Because from the element of a trade setup, you have consolidation. A trade always starts from consolidation before it goes into an expansion. So we are currently inside of a consolidation. We are seeking and anticipating an expansion. That expansion leg, it will give us a framework to use to understand what the algorithm is trying to do within its given time frame. So we're waiting for an expansion in the indices market to expand to one-sided direction in price. That way we can then seek to capitalize on that trend that is about to form because we already have our liquidity pools being indicated. This relative equal lows here and also this relative equal lows. These liquidity pools will give you they act like a magnet trying to draw price to itself. So that's that for the narrative. Now for this asset class, we opened on Sunday's trading. Let's go to a 1 hour time frame. So during Sunday's trading, we had Sunday's opening price. Yeah. So we're currently trading above the Sunday's opening price, and we understand that the Sunday's opening price, it is a true opening price. You use the Sunday's opening price as you do use the midnight and 8:30 opening for as true openings, because for a power of three you would expect accumulation of position at and around the opening price. Then we get a manipulation to the opposite side of our intended drawn liquidity for the algorithm to pair up liquidity. Then we have an expansion leg to the actual drawn liquidity. That expansion leg, it will give us, it will leave a fair value gap or an order block. Mostly we would like to see a fair value gap and a order block being coupled together, because that makes the order block of a higher probability. So we are to that is the narrative going into this week's trading. So we will not be trading until the PM session of Wednesday's trading to get a feel and see what the market has been doing, because yesterday's trading, which is Monday's trading, we had a bank holiday, and during this bank holiday, we ranged. It was a ranging price action, which is a consolidation. So because we were in a consolidation, we anticipated for an expansion, which is this expansion on the 1 hour time frame. So we had this expansion. Now we are seeing now price retrace lower to this other block here, retracement to the other block on this current price action. Now we're going to tape the PM session, sorry, the AM session for Tuesday's trading, getting a feel and getting in sync with what price is likely to do going into the rest of Q2, because this is the second week. Sorry, this is the third week of February. So February is already done and dusted. So that is that. Let's take a quick look at the dollar. Let's see what the dollar is doing and has been doing. Likewise, as we have the a rally of the dollar of the indices market going higher, even though it is ranging in a range bound price action, it is ranging in a higher direction. We've had this job from the first week of January down to this current week. We've been ranging lower, dropping lower on the dollar. So we dropped lower to this BC, which is buy side imbalance, sell side inefficiency. Yeah, so we traded to this BC. So price used this as support, rallied higher, then support was broken, turn resistance. So we are watching the left hand side of the chart, indicating every PDRAs that is being seen on the left hand side of the chart. Our price is going to use these PDRAs to support price in the intended direction of the order flow. That will give us a better feel and how to operate in the inversely correlated market, which is the Euro USD, the indices, and also the crypto market, because the crypto market is most times inversely proportional, inversely correlated to the US dollar. So when you have a higher dollar, you have a lower, you would have lower prices for the crypto market, and when you have higher Bitcoin prices, you would have a lower dollar. All right, so that is what we'll be watching going into Tuesday's trading. So I'll talk to you in the next video. Good luck and good trading.